I would like to begin by talking a little about how MBA is relevant to entrepreneurship. Now, entrepreneurship nowadays requires almost the entire skill set that is generally taught in an MBA curriculum. Entrepreneurship and the relevance of MBA degree to it. Now, I would first like to state that entrepreneurship today requires almost the entire skill set that is taught in a general MBA curriculum. So, the importance of MBA for an entrepreneurial venture is absolutely foremost. আমি সাধারণভাবে এটাই বলবো যে আজকের দিনে কোনো স্টার্টআপ ভেঞ্চার স্পেশালি কোনো এন্টারপ্রেনিউর যদি করতে চান তাহলে তার যদি MBA ব্যাকগ্রাউন্ড থাকে তাহলে it is always better and the general opinion of industry whether an MBA is required for an entrepreneur and that too who is going into startup business, then the answer is a resounding yes. Talk about leadership, talk about strategic analysis, and talk about things like stress management. Everything is very much part of an MBA curriculum and comes to help an entrepreneur, and that too one who is a comparatively new entrepreneur to the maximum extent. একজন MBA এন্টারপ্রেনিউর হওয়াটা অনেক সহজ হয়ে যায় যদি তার MBA বা PGDBM জাতীয় ব্যাকগ্রাউন্ড থাকে এবং এই ধরনের যে যাবতীয় স্কিল সেট যেটা আজকালকার এন্টারপ্রেনিউরদের সাকসেসফুল বিজনেস প্রফিট মেকিং বিজনেস করবার জন্য প্রয়োজন হয় সেটা MBA কারিকুলামে কাভার্ড that is more or less my impression of the relevance of MBA to entrepreneurship. একজন entrepreneur বা let us say a mid-sized businessman-এর প্রয়োজনীয়তার দিক থেকে MBA-র রেলিভেন্স এতটাই বলে আমি মনে করি এবং এ ব্যাপারে অনেক ডেলিবারেশন করা যায় যে কেন MBA-রা স্পেসিফিক্যালি এন্টারপ্রেনিউরাল অ্যাক্টিভিটিসে বেশি সিদ্ধহস্ত হন বাট ফর the purpose now, I would like to simply state that the entire skill set of a general MBA curriculum in most business schools around the world is absolutely relevant to an entrepreneurial venture, particularly if that entrepreneur happens to be going into a startup business. So, for any startup entrepreneur, preceding an entrepreneurial venture by an MBA-like degree or diploma is, I think, absolutely necessary in the current world. Okay, so I would now like to talk a little bit about the relevance of MBA in 2021, the current year, especially in the background of the pandemic situation that we have had over the last 1 year almost, especially from March 2020. Things have literally and gradually come to a standstill in almost all aspects of the world of business due to the COVID-19 generated pandemic situation. Now, in this situation, how relevant is the MBA degree? The point is that what has generally been found all over the world during this period is that in 2 out of 3 business schools around the world in general, the trend has been that the admissions, the rate of admissions in MBA curriculums have increased in 2020-21 during the pandemic year, because most existing entrepreneurs or entrepreneurs who would be going into startup businesses, they have tried or are still trying to utilize the time they have got in this post-COVID-19 pandemic situation to update their skills by doing a MBA-like course. Why? Because as I said, be it in case of corporate managers or entrepreneurs or startup businessmen, this has been a time when they have probably got a window of opportunity to increase their business skill sets, and be it in corporate or be it in business, it has generally been found that the skills that an MBA degree provides are generally a little less or more helpful in conducting business in whatever environment it be it in our country, in India, or be it in a very professionally oriented country like USA or UK. It has been found that the rate of admissions in most, I would say, at around 80 to 85% business schools has increased in this period of time. And let us say from amongst business managers or entrepreneurs previous to 2020, if rate of or people aspiring to become managers or entrepreneurs, the rate of admissions in business schools has in fact increased from around 66-67% to more than 70% during this period of time. And while these people have been able to do less business during this time, they, at least if they have been intelligent enough, they have tried to increase or update their business skill set by means of an MBA curriculum, or it could be an executive MBA, which nowadays is conducted in just about 1 year's time. It need not necessarily be a conventional 2 or 3 years MBA course. It could even be a PGDBM, wherein the period of study could be less. And some have, in fact, a large number have gone for online MBAs, which they would be able to do side by side with their corporate managerial job or their entrepreneurial venture in course of the next few months or years also, because as you know, nowadays there are flexible MBA programs for working managers and for entrepreneurs, and they can continue to update their skill set, their business skills, so to say, by doing a distance learning program or online MBA along with their job at hand. This can continue even in 2021 and past 2021, certainly hoping that we would now soon be able to overcome the pandemic situation. আমাদের হাতে এখন কোভিড-19 এর ভ্যাকসিন এসে গিয়েছে এবং আমরা সকলেই আশা করছি যে এই ভ্যাকসিন বা আরও ইমপ্রুভড ভার্সনস অফ কোভিড ভ্যাকসিন যত আসবে তত প্যান্ডেমিক সিচুয়েশন আস্তে আস্তে আমাদের কন্ট্রোলে চলে আসবে, তত usual business and corporate activities would resume their vibrancy, and at that time such MBA skills acquired during the period of the pandemic or at the present moment when the pandemic is showing signs of going down and business of all kinds is showing signs of revival, and those who are in corporates or business are also free to continue doing their MBAs along with their usual business activities. তো এটা আমাদের আশা, এবং আমরা ভ্যাকসিন আসার পর খুব বেশি করে এটা আশা করছি যে এই পরিস্থিতি 2021 বা তার পরেও আগামী কয়েক বছরে এই পরিস্থিতি চলতে থাকবে এবং আমরা ক্রমশ MBAর রেলিভেন্স টু বিজনেসম্যান অ্যান্ড কর্পোরেট ম্যানেজার্স ইনক্রিজ করতে দেখব। ধন্যবাদ।